we just left Katiklan, following yung coastal road. So medyo every place has its distinctive na mga driving style, kanya-kanya. Doon sa Mindoro, walang yung mga tricycle nila o motor, mostly hindi nagsisignal yan. Yung dugong Batanggenyo. Okay, so dito sa kanya, it's safe na magbusina ka na talaga, especially mga tricycle, mga motor. Ganda yung road going out of Katiklan. Next province natin, we're going, ano to? Which province na? Going Rojas ba tayo? Hindi.
Kabilang side tayo, San Joaquin, kabilang side tayo ng coastal. We're not passing by the coast. We're not passing by Iloilo City, but San Joaquin. So, eastward, east coast.
Western siya. Western side, northwestern side ng Panay. Kasi eastern yung doon sa, ano yun, yung
kasi kahapon, we passed by the western side, di ba?
Ha?
Western side na kahapon.
Western nautical, pero umikot na tayo sa baba eh.
So, kung west kasi ang sablayan yung eastern. Ito naman tayo, eastern tayo. West yung Iloilo.
If you have yung map ng Pilipinas, the left is western. The right is eastern, Visayas.